Alright, this is Sheyi Dairo. I welcome you to my channel. So it's all about making money online YouTube channel. So today now I want to talk about how to make money with Alipay app and 7 cheapest sites in China. Please, if you are very new to this site, I'm begging you, please, if you are very new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be happy to see this channel growing every day. Please subscribe to this channel just to give me encouragement and increase my morale, please. All right, today we'll talk about many ways you can make money online. Honestly, I have made a lot of money with this, and many people can be my witness with this video. I have made a lot of money with some of this information I want to share with you freely. Let me tell you something. If you are Nigerian, you are using Alipay, you know you have been struggling with many money exchangers, struggling with a conversion of naira to yuan before you can pay your suppliers. Let me tell you that you are using your GT Bank, First Bank, UBA, whatever banks you are using, local bank, let me just use in general. You can use your ATM to pay on Alipay app. Use it to pay your suppliers directly without struggling with anything. So you need to be patient and watch this video to the very end. Thank you. So let us go now.
All right, so talking about how to make money online with Alipay app and 7 discover cheapest sites in China. So starting from the first of the site is hc360.com. Okay, and the second one is bao66.cn, and the third one is k3.cn, and sorry. Okay, okay, let me close this one. Then the fourth one is pindodo.com. This pindodo.com, you can't get it, you can't access it through web browser. You can only download the app through Play Store. This is the app now, okay? You can register with it with your WeChat account or QQ.com. So if you don't have WeChat account, I have uploaded. You can check my training on how to create WeChat account. You can see it here. So and please, if you are very new to my channel, please click a subscribe button here. Please, I am just begging, click a subscribe button here, and don't forget to click a notification here and select all. Why I need to select all is because of any time I upload some kind of valuable things like this, you'll be able to be notified earlier and make use of the opportunity to make money online before the thing is oversaturated online. All right, then next one is Alibaba, then Taobao.com, then 1688.com. So you can actually make money with these sites by buying things from here, where you can have problem, or where most people usually have problem is paying to the supplier, whereby some people may not have a verified Alipay account. So let me just go there, because I've told you that I will teach you on how to make money with Alipay app. Most of the challenges people usually have is, if I want people to be telling me about the challenges having with Alipay now. I know many people will give me different thing in my comment box below. But today I want to tell you that you can easily pay your supplier with your local ATM card by through Alipay app. Okay, I know most of you be wondering how would it be? So this is my Alipay app, and it's verified. I can pay supplier, I can receive funds from it. You can see now, this is my balance. So I have 1 yuan there. 1 yuan. I want this thing to look finished. I have 1 yuan there. So this is my Alipay. Okay. All right. So now I want to tell you that if your own Alipay account, you can't pay supplier through it, you can't receive funds through it, and you are an international user, you have been struggling with the possible ways you can be doing this. Maybe there are many problems that are associated with Alipay, like struggling with the money exchangers. The situation whereby you can't buy things directly, you have to be looking for the middle person, just like money exchanger. You have to be struggling with how to change your currency to yuan before you make payment. Now, let me tell you that you can pay with your currency with in your local bank card. You can pay here. Okay, so let me just tell you about that now, that you can pay with your local bank card. For instance, you are Nigerian now, you are using GT Bank, Zenith Bank, UBA Bank, First Bank, and so on, and you have your ATM with you. Now let me just train you on how to use it to pay suppliers to buy goods online from China. So the first thing to do now is top pass. You can see the top pass here. Let me bring on this my translator here. Where's my translator? So that we use it to show you some kind of thing that I may be having issue. Okay, this is top pass. This top pass here, you can see top pass, this one. So let me click on it. This is just the process of using your local bank card to make payments online. You can see now I don't have any money here at all. I don't have. So this is just the process of adding using your local bank card in your country to pay for goods in China directly without depending on money exchangers at a good rate. So please take your time to read this. This thing will just take how many steps before you're able to do this? First step is verify your information. Second step is what? This is first step. This is second step. Top up money, and the third one is use Alipay to pay. That's all. Let me just give you this hint. It's very, very important. Do not store your money here. Do not store your money here. Only put amount you want to use to make payments. Like for instance, you have goods you want to purchase, and just like let me say 1,000 yuan. Just put the equivalent of 1,000 yuan here. Make sure it's just 1,000 yuan you load to this account, this top part. Don't just put it there like you have enough money here that maybe next time you'll be using it. No, I am not training you like that. Only put the amount you want to use here. So let's just follow it. Make sure you read this one now. Enjoy mobile payment in China with Tapas. You can now use Alipay to pay all retail outlets, restaurants, and transportation service across mainland China. Now, question one: what is Tapas? Tapas is a service jointly provided by Bank of Shanghai and Alipay and operated by Alipay. It allows overseas Alipay users to pay with Alipay in Chinese mainland using a non-Chinese credit or debit card. Simply find the Tapas mini app in your Alipay app by setting, submit the information needed to apply, and it will be ready to be used after successful top-up. Top-up limitation. I'm speaking a tongue. So top-up limitation, you can see that it has opened separately. It's an app on its own inside Alipay. You can see now. So let's just continue. Use now. You click on use now. So when you use now, the first thing to do is verify information, and second is select amount. How much do you want to put in that account? And the third one is payment. Use it to pay. Now the first one is verify your personal information, nationality or region. Click on it. So my own country is Nigeria, so I will just type Nigeria here so that we quickly bring it. Okay, this is Nigeria. I click Nigeria here. All right, my passport number. I'll put my passport number here. Okay, this is a sensitive information. Please, I may not able to put my information here like this, but I believe you should be able to free this thing. It's very simple. Honestly, information is power. That is just what I wanted to know. All this thing is very, very simple, very cheap information, but it's still somehow expensive, because if you are not informed, you are not informed. So you will just fill this thing, fill the information, put the passport number there. But let me just give you another hint today that if you do not have your own personal international passport, you can use someone's own to verify this place. Okay, use someone so closer to you. Only let that person stay with you and help you through the process of registration. That is all. If you have any question to ask me, just leave the question in the comment box below, and I will attend to it. Then from here, the next one is just to select the amount. After select the amount, then it will lead you to payment. Okay, and I think the minimum amount you can put here is 100 yuan. Okay, so don't forget that one as well. Passport info page. You take photo of that passport. So that's why I say, if you want to use someone's phone, like you don't have international passport, you want to use your husband's phone or your wife's phone or your brother or sister, ensure that person is with you and give you all things needed to verify the information you are providing. So as simple as that. There is no problem with that. Now let's talk about how to make money with it. That is, how to market the knowledge you have with it. Okay, let me just tell you something that with this information of starting from cheapest site in China, I have made up to 200,000 naira with this knowledge. Do you believe? Both online and offline, I've made a lot of money, because there are some people, they saw my status, they called me, you need to come one-on-one, we need to treat this issue together. I told them, you have to pay for this. Yes, I'm a businessman, so, and I'm a smart entrepreneur, and I want somebody like you to be smart as well. This information you are viewing like this, it may be very cheap, but if you can utilize it, you will make a lot of money, okay? Let me just give you some tips on how to make money with this. You can learn these things, go through it very well, how to log into most of these things, like a Pinduoduo, how to log into this Pinduoduo. Go to your Play Store, download the Pinduoduo app. You have your WeChat account with you, log in through the WeChat account or through QQ. This is QQ app. Let me just bring my QQ app. Where's my QQ app? Where's QQ? I think I have QQ here. Why is it QQ? Okay. This is QQ. You can see now, this is QQ app. So you can just open the QQ, then register and follow the normal thing required. So you will need QQ or WeChat to register some of these sites I'm giving you. So one thing is either you record a training about this and train people about that. Then I know some of the questions you have is, hey, how will I get people to train? How will I make money from this? Don't forget, you have two important things that people really need. Yes, that is value. One thing is how they will pay with their local banker without struggling, looking for money exchange all about, and how to get their items at a cheaper rate from China. That is cheapest price in China. See, these are the two valuable things that you can easily make money. Let me tell you, I told you already that I make a lot of money from this. So, and if you are very smart, you can also make money from this as well. So, if you want to make money from this, the first thing I want you to do now is go to Facebook, and when you go to Facebook, type meaning importation business, meaning importation. So by typing meaning importation, then try to join some of these groups. This is group. Click on group here. When you click group, then try to. There are some groups that I belong to here. So that some now maybe you haven't joined any group. Just trying to be joining those groups. Join the group. Okay, join the group. So if you have to ask questions, just answer those questions. Answer them. Then click submit here. So when you join those groups, you will see some people there. They will be posting. Everybody posting there in the importation group. You know that these are the people. These are your colleagues that are into e-commerce, that are into importation business. Okay. So what you need to do is to contact them. Let me give you an instance now. Let me say here now, importation business, or let me come here. Let me search for Spangler. Okay, it's a very good e-commerce group. They are very disciplined there, and so I like them. Spangler, you can go to Spangler here. They have discipline here. So, and their things is somehow official, so I like them. So I'm recommending their service to you. Okay. Here now you can just look at many comments. The person that posts things here, or maybe they have contact, you can reach them, or you can chat with them. Like this one, please, I would like. I need. Okay, this one said, admin, please approve. I need 4K like 20. This one now. Let me tell you that most of these people are your colleagues that need most of this information on how to import or some many valuable information about importation business. As you have seen them, these are your best people that will buy information from you. The kind of knowledge you want to sell, they are ready to buy from you. So for you to help them to make money or to help their business. So here now, let's come here. Click on this, the 78,000 member, right? Click on here. Click it. When clicked, you see them here. You can be adding them as friends. Add them as friends. Let me send one friend request here. So, okay, let me just send this one friend request. Then I'll click on this person's profile, message this person. So you message this person. Oh, I have a problem with I need to update my chat. So you will chat with this person. Tell this person, you have the message you have drafted down already, the kind of content you want to say. Tell them the value you have. That I know you are struggling with this. I have information for you that you don't need to be struggling again to do this, to do that. You can make payments to your China supplier with your local bank card. So just state the training. Just state the training. Let me look for. I have many trainings online that I don't even struggle. I have drafted the information there. I even put the price there. This is how much you pay. At times I'll put my account number there. So anybody that have interest will even contact me easily. At times, so why you just try to draft the information there? What people need, that value, draft it there. Let me go to my WhatsApp here. Then where you can put shortcuts of anybody that want to reach you on WhatsApp now, they can easily click on some of this. Okay. Short link. Okay, this is short link. Okay. Let me go back so I can see. It is in a short link. Click on short link, then click on this link. It's copied. So any information you are putting down there now, you just put it as your contact. You will put it there. So anybody that have interest in your information, they can easily click it and come back to you. Please, bro, I saw one thing you posted in our group. I saw one thing you posted. You sent to my message, to me on WhatsApp that you know about this, about that. Are you sure? Those people will respond, yes. As in, you will respond to them. You can do it like that, and you make money from this. So it's very simple. So then another thing is go to Telegram. This is Telegram. Okay. From Telegram now, you can search for importation. Just click on importation. Importation here. I have many importation groups here. So you search for importation. It will bring many importation things to you now. Then you can be joining those Telegram. Some of these people in the Telegram group now, like Okay, I belong to this group now. You can be contacting some of these people. These are the people you need to market to. Contact them privately. Click to this person now. Message this person. Let them know the value you have. You know you have drafted everything. Send it. They will contact you. You can't send it to 10 people and you will see 5 people to get back to you that, bro, are you sure? I beg, tell me how will you train me with this thing? I beg, help me. They will pay you. You will make money. So information is power. I've done this thing several and I've made a lot of money with it. So that's what I'm just saying. If I don't make my money with this, I will not come out and be talking to you like this. Honestly, I'm telling you the fact. So silently, that's why I say wisdom is power. If you have wisdom, you no go lack, and you no go lie, you no go broke. That's it. If you have wisdom, you no go broke. It's not until when you run Facebook advertisement before you can make money online, whatever. Please. So that is what I have for you. The next thing now, please. That is what I have for you. That's what I have for you. So please, if you are very new to my channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Please and please subscribe to my channel. This is that you can search me online. Subscribe to my channel. When subscribe, don't forget to click on this notification and select all. This all. So that anytime I am sending information like this, you will be notified and make use of it before the thing oversaturated online. There are many things I'll still be sending. I want to even post about drop shipping, how you can make money with drop shipping. Okay, so I really appreciate you for giving me time to train you online. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please and please click a like button, comment in the message below. Comment. I need you to comment to it. I want your comment. What do you feel about this? I need it. Anything you don't know, just make a comment. I will attend to it as soon as possible. Then don't forget to share my video. Share it because I want this channel to grow up very fast, because this is what will give me an impression to share more value to you, to share more way you can make money online. So thank you so much. Bye.
All right, I think you enjoy my training. So let me tell you something about some of these sites. I remember then years back when I never got to this importation business, I was trying to do photography business to have my studio. So then I was struggling with how to get camera. You know what? Online I set for different camera like to buy. I know where I'm driving to. I will help you. Please listen very, very carefully. Just listen to me. I got some camera of 548,000 naira. I was happy that wow, this thing will work well. Later I got another one that cost like 1 million plus. The camera cost like 1 million plus in naira. So I got depressed at the time. You know why? When I was checking the feature of some of this camera, the expensive one, the one that cost most, I realized that the one that cost even just 100,000 has some feature that the one of 1 million naira does not have. You know, normal human reasoning is that once you see something that is very expensive, you think this thing should consist of everything you need. So then I was thinking that this thing should have like everything needed for me to have a perfect camera. So far this thing costs like 1 million plus. But later I discovered that at times you will see a camera that costs like 100,000. It will be having some kind of things that 1 million naira plus camera will not have. So back to the point of many importation business, that most of these cheapest sites we are talking about, when you go to 1688.com, you will see some kind of some stuffs there, some items you want to buy. It will be cheaper. Then when you go to Alibaba, you will see that it's even more cheaper. And when you are trying to say, okay, Alibaba is the best of it, so if you now want to base your research on, I think no, for now it's only Alibaba I want to buy things from now, you will not be discovering something that Alibaba said, this is even costlier there. And you discover that if you even go back to 1688, you see that things are even cheaper there. Similar thing, this thing happens to most of these sites which are claiming that they are cheap, which is, to conclude it all, most of these sites, before you buy from them, make sure you do your proper research. Know what is cheap here, know what is cheap here, know what is cheap there. Because if you just conclude on one site that this one is just the best of it, or you don't need to go to any other thing again, you may end up regretting it. So the best is, before you buy anything online, do your proper research in those websites. Do your proper research in website A, website B, website C, D. See, you will discover that I think this website have the best price for this thing before you buy it. So that is my own understanding about it. But for you to conclude that it's only one site that is cheapest, maybe cheapest, na lie. That's why I like you to be a smart entrepreneur. Bye.